Hi guys, my name's Jake with DashSkin. I actually just wanted to show you guys a fresh, brand new product that we just came out with. It's going to be an 84 to 89 Corvette dash cover and or overlay. So we're going to go ahead and do a test fit on top of an OEM dash pad. As you can see, this one here is actually not in your physical vehicle, but all I'm going to do is show you a representation of how the dash cover is going to fit and sit over top of your OEM dash. We're basically just going to slide it over top. With being careful with these wraparound edges to kind of slide those right over on both sides here. Now we're going to go ahead and take the dash cover off as I do now, and then we're going to go ahead and get into the cleaning process. Alright, and right now we're just using a industrial degreaser, and you can use like Simple Green or something similar to it. We're just going to spray it on the rag, wipe it on the dash cover to get any of those old oils, dirt, grime, any of that nasty stuff off of there. Make sure we have a good clean surface to start with. Alright, now that we're done wiping the dash off and cleaning it fully, now we're going to jump right into the next process, which is going to be applying the glue to the bottom of the dash cover. Let's go ahead and make sure to flip to our applying adhesive where the glue pattern is in the install guide, and we're going to go ahead and actually start that process. Poke it through so we get the adhesive out, and then we'll go ahead and start here. We got circle here, circle around that one, and then the main perimeter plus a defrost area. Alright guys, now that we have the glue applied, we're just going to go ahead and set it right on in, just like we did in the dry fit on top of the dash. If you get that done, we want to go ahead and apply weight. In this particular case, we're using reams of paper. So we're going to go ahead and place 4 of these on here to put some weight and get some even disbursement there. We want to go ahead and get approximately a total time, cure time of about 12 hours or so to make sure it gets as cure as possible to get the best finish. And then right after that cure time of 12 hours or so, you can go ahead and take these weights off, and then you'll have an awesome finished product at the end. Thanks for watching our video, guys. If you guys are interested in this particular product, check it out at DashSkin.com. And all of our DashSkin products are and always will be made right here in the USA.